everyone, this is Gail and welcome back to my channel. Today I applied this Glam eye makeup look and it's beginner friendly and works for hooded eyes. I'm going to show you how easy it was to apply. Margot doesn't usually get involved in filming. Right, let's get back to the tutorial. I'm going to be using the Born This Way Oil-Free Foundation by Too Faced. This is medium coverage, but you can build it up to full coverage. And it contains lots of nice ingredients. And it actually feels really lovely and lightweight on my face. Next up is this concealer from Clinique, and it's in the shade CN74. And I'm just using it to brighten up under the eyes and also to use as an eyeshadow base on my eyelids, right up to the brow. And just before we get into the eyeshadow look, I'm just going to tidy up my brows. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Definer, which is great for detail work and just, adding hairs into gaps, as you can see. And setting in place with this NYX Brow Clear Gel. This is the Natural Nudes palette from Too Faced, which is so pretty. I'm starting with the transition shade in the crease, blending so there are no harsh lines and it looks smooth. Then darkening up on the outer V, gently patting it on and then blending it. I'm using a blender brush from MAC. I want a bit more definition, so I'm using black. This is from the MAC palette, applying it to the outer eyelids. Using this shade to highlight my brow bone with a MAC 242 shader brush. And with this gorgeous dark brown, I'm just going to line my lower lash line. I'm using my fingertips to get the maximum amount of pigment payoff. This shade is called Shimmering Pearl. It's so pretty, so I apply it from the inner corner of the eye to the middle of the eyelid. Defining my lower lash line with this gel eyeliner from MAC and a couple of coats of mascara. This is MACStack Mascara. Adding lashes is optional. I'm using these Ardell lashes just to the outer corner of my eyes. This gorgeous nude shade is from NYX, it's called Need Me, and it's also waterproof. Baked powder blush is from Milani in the shade Luminoso. To amp up the glam, I'm applying this Lipglass by MAC just to the middle of my lips. Everything I've used in the video today is listed in the description box below. Tag me in my Facebook group if you want to join, the link is below, and show me your versions of a glam eye makeup look. Thanks for watching everybody, take care, bye for now.